friends, you are watching Asha Nature Cure. Click on subscribe button and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hello friends, myself Dr. Kavita, naturopathy physician. Today let me tell you the preparation of ragi juice. Before that, let me tell you what is ragi. Some people don't know what is ragi. So let me tell you about ragi. It is a nutritious cereal and it also comes under a super cereal category. It contains numerous nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, dietary fibers, polyphenols, amino acids, and some antioxidants. It helps in many health related issues like diabetes, osteoporosis, obesity, anxiety, depression, insomnia, and even in some skin problems also. If you want to know more about ragi details, you can go to the link given below. And apart from this, ragi juice is very beneficial, especially in summer season. It helps you to keep hydrated during this season. It also prevents overeating. I told you this is helpful in obesity. So it prevents you overeating by reducing the hunger. The best time to drink this ragi juice is between 10 to 12 am in the morning. The reason behind this is, first one, our digestive system can digest this ragi easily and helps to provide all the nutrients to the body so that we can get maximum benefits out of it. Second reason, it also prevents overeating by reducing hunger. It is very helpful for those who have the munching habits in between the meals. While preparing ragi juice, we should soak ragi for about 4 to 5 hours. This is because you soak it for 4 to 5 hours, the ragi juice will be thicker and tasty also. Now we added the palm jaggery to this juice. It helps in many ways. It will give you the additional benefits. It helps in nourishing the skin, removing the acne and pimples. It also helps in better digestion and helps to flush out the toxins from the body. Now let us see the preparation of ragi juice. Let's see how to prepare ragi juice. Take half cup of ragi for 1 glass of ragi juice. Okay, this is ragi. Now we have to wash it properly for 4 to 5 times. Let's add water and wash it. So we have to wash it properly, remove all the dust. After washing 4 to 5 times, now let us soak it for 4 to 5 hours. Now after 4 to 5 hours, now let us drain this water. See, now this is soaked ragi. Now take a jar and put this soaked ragi into jar. Let us grind this with the little water. It should be enough for making paste like structure. Only little water you should take. Now let us grind this mixture in a mixer. Now you can see this paste like consistency. Now you have to add 1 glass of water into it. And once again you have to run the mixer. See. Now at last you have to add jaggery. This is jaggery, 2 spoon of jaggery we should add into it. And once again we have to run the mixer. Now we have to strain this. Now your ragi juice is ready to serve. Hope you all will enjoy this summer season with this tasty ragi juice and improve your quality of life in this lockdown period. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe to this channel. And if you have any queries or doubt, please comment me in the comment box. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay home.